Dinosaur versus car. Who doesn't win? Dinosaur versus car. Who doesn't win? Who doesn't win? Dinosaur or car? Who doesn't win? Okay. Now let the battle begin. I'll shoot T-Rex and Mario. But now first, boy and girl, we'll clean it out.
Okay.
So we have these two. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! And the winner is Dinosaur Team! So the dinosaur just win. Now the next card is Drummer Boy Girl is the card. So who does win? This card or the dinosaur? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, this dinosaur is crazy. Now the dinosaur just win. Boy, girl, the next card is Trouble. Is the blind card with no eye. That is, he cannot see. So he's a that right there, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Winner. he wait. I don't know where to go. Bam! Down to the leap. He the win already. The knock on boy and girl drummer is the dinosaur. Dinosaur versus dinosaur because they look the same. Look, you see this? They look like brother, yeah. Look like brother. So let's say brother versus brother. That's what I tell, okay? Let's say brother versus brother. 3, 2, 1, go. The winner. Can you please get someone out of my head, please? And that one is Triceratops. Wow, he's a superpower. The winner is T-Rex. He is the winner every day. He beats everyone. He is the king now. This dinosaur was standing on top on this side. Is it going to fell or not fell? Let's find out. It did not fall. Good. If it fell, good. Another one. We said that one. And I would choose this one. It did not fail. That one worked. Wow. Just started. Did not fail how it felt. That's the kid.
Ooh.
This time I wash it. Oh. Please. Ah, the car in the dinosaur fell. Wink. Let's try this. Boy and girl, this is the end of this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. See ya.